How to program the Flex Pump Box. The Flex timer has two settings. It has A mode and it has B mode. In A mode, it functions 24 hours a day, non-stop. So the only setting that you will see is the misting on time and the misting off time. To cycle through to your different settings, you're going to use the View Setting option button underneath the display. When you press it, you're going to see your mist on time come on, which is the green light. It is currently set for 12 seconds on. If you press it again, it's going to give you your mist off time. Right now it's set for 10 seconds off. This time that you have programmed in here, when you switch over to B mode, will remain the same, and it can be then reset in B mode as well. To get to B mode, you're going to press and hold the power button for 5 seconds, and you will eventually see the red light jump from A to B. Once in B mode, we're currently in the mist off cycle. You're going to use your View Setting button to cycle through to the different times. So here is your current time. It is currently set for 12 a.m., 12:02 a.m. To change the clock and the day, it is set on Friday. So here, if we wanted to set it to the current time, which right now would be 11:45, you'd use your up arrow to scroll forward, and after holding down for 20 seconds, it will start jumping 10 seconds at a time until you get to the current time, which is 11:45. To change the day of the week, you need to hold the button down and scroll through all 24 hours to get to the next particular day. So as you can see, if I continue to hold it, when you get to PM, the little light will disappear under the AM that's printed on the display panel. But as I mentioned, you continue to hold the button, and once you get past midnight, which will be relatively soon, you'll see that it's switched now to Saturday, and then you'll continue to rotate through to get to your particular day of the week. Once your clock is set, you're going to use your View Setting button again. Now this is to program the on and off times. When the light is flashing on Sunday and every day is lit up, that means you can program all days of the week at the same time. So if we want to set everything to start at 7 a.m., we'll hold the button down until we get till 7 a.m. And then every day will start at 7 a.m. We press the View Setting button again, and now we've gone to the end time. And if you notice now, the red light is on next to the word end. And then you can set your off time, what time you want it to end each day. Now this is to program the same time for every single day of the week when every day is lit up with Sunday flashing. So we'll have it end at 5:10 p.m. If you hit the View Setting button again, it's now going to show you each individual day. So if you wanted Sunday to be at a different hours of operation, you can then adjust Sunday beyond the begin time and the end time for that particular day. It will not affect the settings for the rest of the week. If you do not want the machine to turn on a particular day, say your store is closed on Sunday, you would set your begin time and your end time at the same time. So let's say 12 a.m. and that way it'll cancel each other out and will not start that particular day. So continue to hit the View Setting button, and it will take you through every individual day of the week. When you get to the end, this is your countdown timer. So when the machine is off, this will always be showing zeros. Press it again, and then you're going to get your mist on time. So if we now wanted to increase our on time, we can then set it for 21 seconds on, press View Setting again, and then your off time, and we can increase our off time to whatever setting you would like as well. Once all your settings are in place, it does not matter what display, the machine will function in any setting that is displayed. Now we're going to go back to the current time. If I press the button, it will function. To get back to A mode, you hold your power button down for 5 seconds and it will switch back to A. Hit the power button again and it will function again.